Parshat Yisro begins with the joy, the elation of Jethro at the successes that God gives to the children of Israel during the Exodus and the plagues and the splitting of the sea, etc. All of the miracles which are done to the Israelites. Yet Chazal, our sages, expound the opening verse, which is Vayichad Yisro, Jethro rejoiced. The word Vayichad is a little unusual, but it does mean rejoicing, apparently. But they expound this word homiletically as Nasulo Chidudim, as Rashi brings. Chidudim means his flesh became prickly, meaning that he was feeling as if his flesh was being pierced. So this is quite an opposite emotion from the one that's described in the simple reading of the verse. Why would they expound this pasuk, this verse, so radically different from its simple meaning? So, as usual, we, in order to try to find an answer to this mystery, we try to get to the bottom of what this word Vayichad means, its relation to the word Chedva, which means joy, but at the same time, it is composed, or it comprises two letters, which are the essential radicals, which is Chet and Dalet, Chad. And there are many other words in Lashon HaKodesh, in the Holy Tongue, which contain these two letters. So we go through each one of them, and surprisingly, we find a connection between all of these words, as disparate as the meanings may look on the surface. And in the end, the whole point of this is really to understand what Chazal are trying to teach us by this mysterious drasha, this exposition that seems to be exactly the opposite of the plain meaning. And I think that it teaches us a lot about human nature, especially about converts and the feelings that they have, but it really applies to every single Jew, and to a different extent to every human being, where we have opposite emotions at the same time, concomitant negative and positive emotions that are pulling at us, and this is part of life. We have to know how to deal with it. Shabbat Shalom.